First, I'm speaking on demands of number 71 Corporation and 74 Water Resources. First, I take the opportunity to thank Honorable Minister Subhash Shirodkar for being positive, approachable and helpful with quick solutions. It reflects across the ladder in your entire department where even staff speaks well of the Honorable Minister. As far as demand number 71 Corporation, we require assistant registrars because I request Honorable Minister to have more assistant registrars to attend to cases with a legal background. Because when you have a legal background, then it becomes more accessible, understandable, and we have orders which are passed which have legal basis. As far as demand number 74 is concerned, water resources, before I speak on each of these items, I want to compliment Badami, our former chief engineer of WRD, whom I have known since he was an executive engineer who has done good work. He has now retired, but we should not forget him just because he is retired. I also thank our current chief engineer, Mr. Salelkar, and I take opportunity to appreciate our C, Mr. Salelkar right now, SC Ankush Gaonkar, E. Milin Gaude, A. Vinu, J. Reshma, and our Avinash Asgaonkar, who have been handling your department very well, quick, and they are on the field as and when I call them and when they are needed. As far as the Made River is concerned, Honorable Speaker, आम्ही पळयला ते सक्सेस रेट किती जाला. Success rate has been on payment of lawyers. कोटेनी फारी केला. But we have had no positive result. We are told आमकां सांगलोले contempt proceeding गायल्ले म्हण. आता contempt proceeding स्टेटस कितें? आयज पासून कांय जालें ना. कर्नाटका अजून चेंजेस करतात, उदक डायवर्ट करपाक. फकत आमकां बंद करपा न्ही, पूण डायवर्ट करपाक. आमी कसले स्टेप्स घेयल्या ते बंद करपाक. सुप्रीम कोर्टान दाखोवपा जाता, सुप्रीम कोर्टान प्रूव करूं जाता, आनी आमच्यान आनीक एक रिस्ट्रेंट ऑर्डर हाडूं जाता. आमकां आनीक एक आसा की आमकां खबर आसा, आमकां प्रेजेंटेशन दिलें आसतना तेन्ना रिकॉर्डिंग आसा की उदक यूज करतात ते फॉर इरिगेशन, नॉट फॉर ड्रिंकिंग, which Karnataka is using largely for irrigation. आमकां डॉक्युमेंट सगळे आसा जाल्यार, even you can get their documents, you will understand it. Why don't we present this in the Supreme Court and we show that their need is not genuine except for this and for certain industries which require water for their cooling of their turbines. So therefore I believe that our government has not got its department to act together. Also, anik ek सांगता तुमकां, एप्लिकेशन सुप्रीम कोर्टान खंयच्या कोर्टान एप्लिकेशन घाल जाल्यार ती एप्लिकेशन येतली हियरिंगा. फकत ते एप्लिकेशनाचे हियरिंग जावन एक वरस 2 वरस काटले. I would request move the motion for listing of the matter for final hearing. सगळे खबर जातले. Because if you get a date for final hearing, it starts and it ends, then nothing more remains. But every time you move an application for early hearing, amendment, for contempt, on application we will be arguing, main matter will be lost. As far as desilting, I am grateful that you send the desilting machinery for us to get desilted. But normally ki jata mid-May or end of May te ata desilting korpa. My request that please ensure that after we have passed the budget at the end of March, April you can set the process in motion so that first week of May desilting process can start. Nalaki jata passport and little wet, that whole thing gets soggy, becomes difficult for machinery and all to go in. And by this time we have had unexpected showers. I don't blame this year, but previous year also kotta sona passport palaglo and then we had to abandon it. So I don't want that to happen, that your purpose is good but effect is zero. Desilting, it was a matter relating to mining, but I need to bring it to your attention because you have a government lake under survey number 25/1 in Lamgaon in Bisholi. 2017, 2017, because of the mining silt coming there, your WRD department had recommended that it should be desilted. But from 2017 till today, nothing has happened. And the last topic I will talk is about CADA. Cabinet and decision गेल्ले 3,33,805 square meter of command area, development area the request केल्ले under Investment Promotion Board applied by Delta Corp at Darga. Perne with a waiver of 5.5 crores for conversion fee. First shock I'm podel tenna, cabinet note podel tenna, I'm choilan the proposal was moved by WRD department. WRD department should be protecting the land from its conversion or diversion. But unfortunately, the proposal was made by WRD. In the cabinet note dated 7 May 2025, WRD Munta, the proposal came from Goa Investment Promotion Board. And cabinet note on Pasamunta that by notification dated 25th November 2024, this area was notified as Tilari Command Area. Honorable Speaker, I am member of CADA board. I am Ashillo, Honorable Minister Barabar. And I am decision gaile. So agle history sangle, geography sangle amka, and finally I say I am notify Korea Fudeya. Honorable Minister accepted suggestion pending ashile notify kele. Ek party notification आयलो नोव्हेंबरा महिना तुम्ही recommendation कितकोन माया महिन्यान 6 महिन्या भितर recommend करता ती notify करता. What was the basis? What was the study? What is the survey carried out? Did the department find out that this land is not being used for CADA as Tilari Command Area? Or did the department find that this land cannot be used? How can it be contradiction? I can understand you are reviewing after 5 years. But within 6 months when you are doing this, there is something greater than that which we have to see. And as we use in corporate law, lift the veil and see what's behind. How could the cabinet agree to denotify the land? Honorable Speaker, kenna command area notify kottanna ek kaido asa. And your Command Area Development Act is there. Under that act, there is a series, there is a procedure. Notify korpa, objection aikpak, sogle survey, sogle korun, final notification my card park, and that also should be published. If you run through the entire process for notification, whoever it can be, cabinet cannot be supreme. Cabinet cannot usurp powers of a statutory body. The statutory body is the Command Area Development Board alone, which can be done and which is approved by the government. And it cannot be bypassed by a cabinet decision. Cabinet doesn't sit in appeal over the decisions of the Command Area Development Board. And therefore, the cabinet approving this not only is illegal, it's complete usurpation of jurisdiction, and I think that decision sets a very wrong and bad precedent. And it looks like now Honorable Minister the other day said we will have a CADA meeting. I don't know, but if I've heard that right. But you're going to have a CADA meeting to now accept this proposal. I hope it's not. If you're having one meeting, I will not believe that you're going to have a meeting to have a post facto approval for denotification. In fact, I have seen, I'm Podela, the Goa Investment Promotion Board asato, ek Ashilo is supposed to be a single window clearance for ease of business muntatte. But I think the sogle kaide udoitat buyer and they decide everything. So I believe that this Goa Investment Promotion Board now will have to be scrapped, because if you are usurping your powers, usurping powers which you are going to protect, how are they doing this? Everything for the sake of business. You can't go and override and run riot over everything. They don't require town permission, they don't require land conversion sanats, they don't require CADA permission now. What more is required? So my respectful submission is that the government has to take steps to protect CADA land and not allow these people, just because it's some casinos, to come and run over these agricultural land, or anybody, whether it's a casino or real estate, anybody should not be allowed to take it. I'm obliged.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.
हो गया शुरू पहला सेमेस्टर, सीनियर सामने नर्वस प्रेशर, लेक्चर्स हैंगआउट्स लेट नाइट रील्स, मस्ती वाले ये अपने व्हील्स,
पहले प्यार की पहली राइड,
slowly matching vibe,
Activa Activa Activa, first love बोले तो Activa, आओ करें try एक नया पाथ, click your first, make your mark,
new friendship का पुराना यार, let's go cruising in a new Avtar,
la 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 la,
smart key and smart away, go freewheeling and fly away,
Activa Activa Activa,
first vibe बोले तो Activa, Activa, Activa.
Activa. स्कूटर बोले तो Activa. स्कूटर मजे